Welcome back to Quest for Quiz, the preliminary round in the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores currently read St. Andrew Prep on 29 points and Holy Childhood Prep on 8 points. It's now time for Section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer or if they answer before being identified. So teams, this section lasts 4 minutes, and we begin with television. In the movie Maleficent, who plays the role of Princess Aurora? Elle Fanning. Sports. For which European football club does Gareth Bale play? St. Andrew?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Who was thrown into a den of lions in the Old St. Andrew?
Daniel.
Daniel.
In the Old Testament, correct. Science. Dentine and enamel are associated with which specific part of the body? St. Andrew.
Teeth.
Teeth.
Correct. English language. Form an adjective from the word talk. St. Andrew.
Talkative.
Talkative.
Correct. Music. If you want to sing or play a tune, what is the word that describes how high or low the notes should be? St. Andrew.
Pitch.
Correct. General knowledge. What does the abbreviation WWW stand for on the St. Andrew?
World Wide Web.
World Wide Web.
On the internet, correct. Local affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. You can't love the cow. If you don't love the calf. Mathematics. A straight line measures how many degrees? Holy childhood.
180 degrees.
Correct. Social studies. Which year did Jamaica receive full emancipation from slavery? Holy childhood.
1962.
Incorrect. 1838. Television. Complete the title of this movie released in 2010. Alice in Holy childhood.
Wonderland.
Correct. Sports. What is the nationality of the football player Eden Hazard? St. Andrew.
Belgian.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Which brothers were known as the Sons of Thunder? James and John. Science. Which device measures the amount of rain recorded in a given period? St. Andrew.
Rain gauge.
Rain gauge.
Correct. English language. Give a 7-letter word starting with C, which means to admit to a mistake or sin. St. Andrew.
Confess.
Confess.
Correct. Music. From which of Bob Marley's songs does the line come? Emancipate yourself from mental... St. Andrew.
Redemption songs.
Redemption songs.
From mental slavery. Correct. General knowledge. I'm sorry, that was not accepted. It's incorrect. It should be redemption song, not songs. General knowledge. What is the name given to a person who is banished from his native country? St. Andrew.
An exile.
Exile.
Correct. Local affairs. Who is the president of the Jamaica Teachers Association? Dr. Garth Anderson. Mathematics. What is 7,442 rounded to the nearest hundred? Holy childhood.
7,400.
Correct. Social studies. What is the Jamaican ground provision chocho known as in the Eastern Caribbean? Christophine. Bible knowledge. Which Christian martyr was the first to die by stoning? Sorry, the bell came first. Stephen. English language. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of the word fair. Holy childhood.
Unfair.
Correct. General knowledge. Cairo is a... We don't have time for that question, and that is the bell signifying the end of this round and the end of today's match.
A well-played match by both teams today. After the bell, we have Holy Childhood Prep on 14 points and St. Andrew Prep on 49 points.
So we would like to say congratulations to St. Andrew Prep and well tried to Holy Childhood Preparatory. Please stay with us. This match in the Quest for Quiz in the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.